host, Rishikesh Nare, and we welcome you to our special series, The Economic Times Cutting Chai Stories. It's an initiative by ETH. The key to Cutting Chai Conversations is to have a good discussion around the areas of your early life, education to grooming, training, business sense, skill augmentation to work-life balance. And before we begin, let me set the context right. Cutting Chai is a series of candid conversations where we take you through the inspirational journeys of influential people. You all have seen these personalities in the corporate world in a different form and different shape, but we are taking them away from that boardroom drama to have some fun chat revolving their personal life. And today we have with us Mr. Sandeep Kapoor, Head IT Infrastructure, Smart Works Co-working Spaces. So Sandeep, thank you so much. Thank you for your time. And we are pretty much excited to have this conversation considering the kind of space that you work in. Okay, so I know we promised that we should not talk about work, but just to begin this, when you say co-working spaces, how that entire scenario is picking up right now?
First of all, namaste is namaste. What we should start from.
Why not?
So, namaste audience, very warm welcome. And to start with, Rishikesh, your answer, the co-working spaces is a old formula which is being taken care into US, UK from long time. Where the people or the companies don't go for the traditional, their own space, go for some shared space. By that they save the running cost, they save the manpower, they save additional hiccups of finding out the space, getting the building renovated, getting the entire shebang of getting power, electricity, or all the running cost of tea, coffee, then transportation, all those gets mitigated. Then all this will be goes into the co-working or the service provider's kitty, where the service provider takes the building on the lease, redevelops it, put it onto different customers so that the person can come up, simply plug and play office, go there, hook on your laptop and you are on. Everything is
okay. Again,
you have the reception.
Anything can happen now. Wherever you sit, wherever you just sit around. You just need to have your, your laptop, your mobile phones around, and a charger for sure.
And the internet. That is the lifeline today.
Yeah. So, got that. Okay, so sorry, this was my personal interest in the co-working spaces because it's a very interesting thing which is coming up, and I was wondering whether. Even Apple, Google, they have started doing, using co-working spaces. And
every company, you name it, you name the Facebook, LinkedIn, Paytm, PayPal, or everybody, even the Discovery. I am hosting Discovery now in my one of the office.
Brilliant. So let's get back to the track where, so Sandeep, let's talk about your, childhood days. And when I say childhood days, first I want to know which city you belong to, which part of the country you belong to.
Always been into North India, born, brought up, educated in New Delhi itself. Are from Pakistan, pre-independence. My father born there pre-independence in 1945. After the independence, they moved on, came back to Agra in India. From there, he has done his graduation and everything, got into defense services. And while he was serving the defense into the civil defense, which is called Central Ordnance Depot here in Delhi Kent. You must have heard all the India do have different cantonment depots where all the ammunition, armed, all sorts of army related supplies, those will be catered from those depots. So father used to work there. He's retired as a gazette officer from there. So that is how childhood was in very disciplined mode. Father being into the army background. So we are on our toes. Always you have to study. That's it. And even after having so much of discipline, we were a normal average two brothers, not studying too much of it. The moment my Dadiji used to say, we two brothers used to play in the afternoon. After the school, we used to play cricket in house only. पुराने जमाने में कपड़े धोने वाली थापी और अंडा
शुरू हो जाइए.
Yeah, so that is what we used to play. And शाम को 5 बजे आने का टाइम है. दादी used to say, "मैं मर जाने हो, हुण ते छੱਡ दियो, आण वाला ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਪਿਓ." That is how we get an alarm, and the moment father is in, our books are open, we are on the sofa and study.
Yeah.
So that we should not be thrashed out.
Yeah, I know. And we all do such things like and the best part is we used to think that ठीक है dad को क्या पता चलने वाला है मतलब इतना smartly तो कर लिया but so quick thing I used to do same thing. I used to watch TV and my father used to come at home at around 5 o'clock after his office and then he used to and we had those CRT televisions that in
Right.
so he used to just touch that TV and he used to look at me आज बहुत TV देख लिया I was like
from the heat.
From the heat. So yeah, I mean, that pata hota hai, but when you were describing that part, that you're from Delhi, your ancestral background is from Pakistan. Then when brothers, you guys are playing in that house, the Delhi. Whenever I talk to Delhi, now what happens? I get into that zone. Okay, first I am like, मैं तो pure एकदम Mumbai वाला हूँ. ठीक है, you must have understood with my Hindi accent. So that thing I always get the cold, the great weather that you guys have, okay, जो ये वो धुंध वाला मौसम होता है, and that setup, your dadi is sitting in your house, and you guys are like doing things here and there, eating amazing food. Okay, let's not debate over this. The Delhi produces the best food in the country. I can fight with anyone on this. So Absolutely. This entire setup, okay, gives me a very comforting and warm feeling about Delhi. So please tell us about your childhood things. Like we were mentioning about cricket, Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli, he's on a diet, but he always refers to one thing. अगर मेरे को कहीं कभी खाने मिला ना तो he will have Rajouri Garden का छोले भटूरे.
Absolutely right. Rajouri Garden का छोले भटूरे. Then there is a little far from that place, there is a Bhalle Papdi. Famous Bhalle Papdi you will never find anywhere inside the Delhi except Chandni Chowk is famous for entire food. But in the Rajendra Nagar, this Rajouri Garden, nearby that, there is a specific Bhalle Papdi. I definitely, whenever I am in that area, it's my visit. I have to go, whether I am hungry or not hungry. My tummy is full. Still, I go there. I'll have a plate of Bhalle Papdi, and that too, it's a big bhalla. One bhalla is sufficient enough for your entire one meal. It's that delicious.
I mean, see, I will not agree to it because for you guys, it's one bhalla. For us, it's the whole day meal. Okay.
No, it's one meal only. For us, it's one meal.
For us, it's too much. So, how was your school like? Do you remember any of your teachers? Because you had your childhood with a very strict atmosphere around, being with the army guys, the school. How was it like? Was it too much of what we see in the movies? I mean, that is the only reference point today people have, or it's a different scenario. Could you just explain us that?
It's altogether different scenario. I was in Mahasi Chunilal Saraswati Bal Mandir, typical Hindu school. You can name it a typical Hindu school. Samarth Shiksha Samiti run by those schools. And specifically, the moment you are into the school, you are being followed for all sorts of Hindu tradition, and you have to follow, and which is very good. I love that. I still love my school, specifically for two cultures. One, every morning you have to do Saraswati Vandana. Nowadays, you won't find this anywhere, not across any of the Indian school, be it a government school or any. Still, these schools, the Samarth Shiksha Samiti school runs by, they follow the same tradition. Every morning you have Saraswati Vandana. The time you will getting dispersed from the morning assembly, you have to do Vande Mataram or Janaganna. That is a definitely daily affair. I still remember my maths teacher, Mr. Arora, Rakesh Arora. He used to teach us maths while singing.
Okay.
Yeah. He always gives us the formula in a singing way. Specifically during the 10th, formulas are the keys for the paper.
Yeah.
And he always used to sing A plus B or AB square and all those, everything in the singing mode. And within no time, we used to learn that. And it is still here.
I mean,
and those formulas are still here. And I still remember the way he was a short height. जब चलते थे तो पता नहीं लगता था कि मतलब टीचर आ रहा है.
अच्छा.
तो कभी-कभी ये होता था, अरे सर मैथ्स का पीरियड है, चलो, और वो साथ में चल रहे हैं. You won't recognize him कि भाई टीचर चल रहा है या your friend is running around. So that was fun time. On the hard side, we used to have our one of chemistry teacher, very strict, tall. She must be 6 feet high. Oh, very tall. और एक बार पकड़ लिया, chemistry formula में एक गलती, you are gone. full entire period you are out from class. Next day आपने क्या पढ़ा पता नहीं, क्लास में क्या हुआ पता नहीं, and again you will be standing next day out. क्यों? क्योंकि अपना काम तो किया ही नहीं. So those memories are still. I used to do NCC also.
Okay, great.
फादर बैकग्राउंड से थे तो उन्होंने बोला कि भाई एनसीसी करनी है, मैंडेटरी है आपके लिए,
चांस नहीं है कोई यहाँ आ जाने का.
हाँ तो एनसीसी करना. अब एनसीसी में आपको इतना भगाते हैं, मतलब 3 चक्कर उन्होंने 1000 मीटर के ग्राउंड के तो लगवाने. उसके बाद बोलना जाओ, जाके अपने लिए केले लेके आओ, क्योंकि एनसीसी में बेस्ट पार्ट होता था केले मिलते थे.
केले मिलते, खाना वाना तो बढ़िया.
बस तो केले लेने जाना, जहां जिस डिपो से हम केले लेके आते, बेस्ट पार्ट वहां पे वो बंदा हमें केले देने से पहले बोलता बच्चों बैठो, एक दर्जन केले सामने रख देता, जितने खाने खाओ, जितने आपने लेके जाने हैं एज पर द स्टूडेंट्स, नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स 2-2 केला हर एक को एलोकेट होता था. उससे पहले वहां पे अपन ने खा के आना और बाकी साइकिल पे ले आने चुपचाप, और फिर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने, वहां पे भी 2 केले मिल जाने. तो वो एक फन टाइम था. वी एंजॉयड अ लॉट. उसके साथ साथ ड्यूरिंग द एनसीसी यू गेट फर्दर मोर डिसिप्लिन.
राइट.
You get to know your country, you get to know more discipline, and that too in a specific tangent. It will set your further path for your future career. There are people who goes into NDA, there are people those who go into services and all that. So that is how NCC gives you a base for that. So that was one of the good thing we used to do.
And so were you a mischievous kind of a guy in the school, or you were kind of a guy who was mischievous but nobody could recognize that this was like Sandeep was the mastermind behind this entire scenario?
No, I have not done this kind of mischievous any event or something. I remember when I was in class 11th, yeah, so used to like one girl in class 12th named Gonika World School. So their daughter, she was there. Yeah, it's a true story. The 12th farewell was happening. There was an event going on and Gonika was performing. I was carrying a camera, that old Yashica camera, reel wale. I took a picture, full audience in front of that. I moved out from my row, went towards the stage and clicked the picture. Oh God. प्रिंसिपल ने देख लिया. उसके बाद मैं, मेरे पिताजी दोनों प्रिंसिपल रूम में.
तो ये कोई कम शरारत नहीं है यार, ये तो बहुत बड़ी शरारत कर ली.
हाँ, सो मतलब भाई तूने पिक्चर क्यों ली? ऐसे पता नहीं, बट मुझे पसंद है,
शौक है, तो कैमरा यार तो कैसे करेंगे.
और गोनिका परफॉर्म कर रही थी तो वो एक अलग से सबकी फेवरेट थी
ऑब्वियसली.
सो दैट वाज द टर्निंग पॉइंट. पिताजी ने कहा बेटा बिगड़ गया तू, वापस आ जा. बट दैट्स हाउ. उसके बाद 12th वगैरह क्लियर की. आई मूव्ड आउट. कॉलेज कभी रेगुलर गए नहीं. देयर वाज नो रेगुलर कॉलेज आई हैड डन. आई डिड ऑल माय एजुकेशन फ्रॉम correspondence, or you can say distance learning. My graduation from Delhi University on a distance mode. Then I started working. All my educations, all my professional certifications I have done during the job, on the job, everything. I have achieved my MBA, I have achieved my MSc, everything on the job.
I mean, Abhi, you were saying that you did not have your formal education, like proper college education. You had distance learning options available, and you did that. But after say 15-20 years, nowadays the children, they are doing the same. They are doing the distance learning over the camera and over the laptops. And that's what it is. But I always feel that it's a very difficult thing to do, because class में क्या होता है कि थोड़ा भी ध्यान ना दो, थोड़ा तो सुन लोगे. Here it's very difficult, because if you're not interested, you will not pay attention at all, because there are so many things happening after outside this window, and people like my niece, my cousins, they don't do it, and it's very difficult to do that. But now you are you're heading a department with a very renowned organization and into an IT field. What do you think that what sets a right base for you in the past? Was that like that credit goes to NCC?
That credit goes to my father, the discipline. He always taught me, do whatever you want to do, but be firm, keep one single track. Don't change yourself here and there, or don't run for anyone else. Define your path, stick to the path. I tell you, my first job, or rather what I can say is, why I have done my computer diploma from NIIT, which is a GNIIT. At that moment, it was 3 years course. And after that, they used to give the placements. So due to my college days, the graduation was not done. Placement was little delayed, but I was still there with IT field only. I had my, you can say, mentor, which is Mr. Bhupendra Pal Singh. We call it Nag as a nickname in NIIT. He gave me the chance to become an intern of NIIT itself while studying. So that's how, because in computers, I always good. I was always good. I was always above 90 in computers.
प्यार था जैसे प्यार जैसे था कि बस पसंद ही
एक काइंड ऑफ अट्रैक्शन थी कंप्यूटर की, यार बस ये मेरे लिए ही बना है.
ओह ब्रिलियंट,
या मैं इसके लिए बना.
ब्रिलियंट.
So that is how I used to do everything, all jargons in computer. घर पे खुद लाके कंप्यूटर असेंबल किया, पिताजी को पता भी नहीं लगा कब ले आया, और सब कुछ अपने इंटरनल, मतलब जो मेरे को इंटर्न से पैसा मिलता था, जो मैंने छोटी अपनी पॉकेट मनी जोड़ी थी, एवरीथिंग उससे बिल्डअप किया. आई यूज्ड टू गेट द स्मॉल पार्ट टाइम वर्क फ्रॉम होम काइंड ऑफ डाटा एंट्री का काम लेके आना. दैट वाज इन 1999 और 2000 era. तब का टाइम पे अपना खुद का कंप्यूटर खड़ा किया, बनाया, रात भर बैठ के काम करता, सवेरे उठ के फिर चालू, बिकॉज यू हैव टू गो टू NIIT एंड यू हैव टू get your education done. Side by side, I started this one of the job called Encyclopedia Britannica. First job, education giant. First interview, मेरे बॉस ने मुझसे सिर्फ एक ही क्वेश्चन पूछा, इस केबल का कलर कोड पता है? And I was like, ये क्या पूछ लिया इसने? And I was dumb at that moment because कंप्यूटर का सब प्रोग्रामिंग रिलेटेड, हार्डवेयर रिलेटेड सब कुछ आता था. But color code, who the hell was asking color code at that moment? अपने टाइम पे तो चलती भी कोएक्सियल केबल थी. मैंने स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड बोला, नहीं पता, but you give me the learning, I will learn and I will deliver the whatsoever task is there. He said, okay, give me hardware related questions. Everything I answered perfectly fine. So he said, okay, we'll try you for 6 months. That is how a junior system admin was my designation. I started my first job.
Oh, brilliant. Brilliant.
That was the thing, and I become system admin for Encyclopedia Britannica within 3 years. I was with them for 3 years. My boss was there, Indu Ramchandani. She used to work on Quark Express. You guys must be knowing. It's a publishing related software, books publishing. So she used to call me every time, Sandy, where are you? I need this support. At that moment, Quark Express पे जो चलता था, that software used to work with a dongle, a specific key. I was not knowing that. सारा दिन देख लिया, भाई क्या हो रहा है? She was like, कब solve होगा? By when you will be able to resolve this issue? I had to do proofreading of all the books and all that. Ma'am, I'm not able to find why this application is not working. I'm still trying to find out. I called up my superior. उसने बोला एक डोंगल लगा होगा, पीछे चेक कर ले. I said okay. कंप्यूटर के पीछे चेक करना शुरू किया. वो डोंगल इतना बड़ा डोंगल था, मुझे लगा प्रिंटर का केबल है, छोड़ दिया. प्रिंटर के भी पहले इतने पैरेलल वाले पोर्ट आते थे. मैंने 2 घंटे फिर बिताए, दिन ढाल लिया. उसने आके पूछा कि क्या हुआ? I said I couldn't find that dongle. This is a printer cable which is there. That is the only thing. He said, can you come and show me that? Can you bring that piece with me? उतार के ले गया. He said, from that much of time you have wasted. This is the dongle only. इसको proper तरीके से वापस लगा, वो चल जाएगा. Oh God. So that is how I started learning. But within 3 years, I was their system administrator. And when the first .com burst, it was a US-based funding company. We were told that you guys are no more required. I shifted from there to hospitality industry. And from there, almost 16 years I spent into hospitality. Different hotels, different chain. I worked for many hotels as well and as an IT manager.
Brilliant. So any favorite company or favorite brand that you work for, favorite work that you've done, or everything was favorite because it was computers?
It is computers, it is networks, and moreover, hospitality was new to me. I have my learning started. Hospitality. So I started learning the softwares because hospitality is all software driven. Guest ne aana hai, check-in hona hai, then software will come up. F&B में जाएगा, कुछ भी करेगा, everything has to populate over there. So I quickly started learning. तब COBOL लैंग्वेज के सॉफ्टवेयर होते थे. So कमांड लाइन सब सीखा, कुछ किया, नॉवल नेटवेयर चलता था अपना. Slowly startedly we learned IDS. There is a software called IDS, or there is a software called Opera. So when I moved into IHG chain, they used to have Opera. I implemented Opera at Crown Plaza, New Delhi, which is currently as known as Surya, New Delhi. So I implemented the entire software continuously for 3 months. I was there in the hotel. I haven't stepped out from the hotel, not even for my home. We did the training, we did the rollout, and it was fabulous. My management or my MD gave me instant cash of 30,000 bucks at that.
Lovely.
When the day we rolled out, we did the first night audit, 30,000 cash, which was handed over to me in an envelope by CMD himself. He said, brilliant job done, bache. Agent the, he said simply, brilliant job done, bache. Do it like this. Keep growing.
Brilliant. I mean, these things, when I look at your journey, when you were saying things, I was just quiet and I was visualizing the part where you started as a junior administrator. You did not have, most of the people will say, people today, they have various reasons to not to do things. Okay. So, I बैठ जाएंगे, मेरे को college का ना अच्छे से education नहीं मिला, मैं तो college नहीं जा पाया. But this is a great example for everyone who's watching, guys. Ki, if you like someone, if you love something, just put efforts into it, spend more time to it, and definitely that thing will, give that love back to you. And eventually, I was very interesting documentary right there on Discovery. When they talk about Elon Musk, they talk about Zuckerberg, Jeff Bezos. One thing that they talk about is, in their parents, they mention one thing. These guys, they had some different feeling about coding, about gadgets, about computer, and they never studied at all because computer did not allow them to learn anything else other than computers. And that is when, once you're glued to computers, it's a different language, it's a different world. And that is how it reflects. And that is how, right now, everything is a computer. Like people just relate to laptop or a desktop as a computer, but everything is a computer. It's a machine that,
there is so much of at the back end, which is happening. You guys just see the front end.
Yeah.
At the back, the infra you have to set up to run even this show. There is a kind of infra which has been set up by your IT team. Imagine, and each and every single bit of it. Name it. Today also, even one of my center is getting live. I still know where the cable has to go. From the green field, I know everything. You tell me you have to lay the cable. I'm ready to lay the cable today.
question तो पहले वाले इंटरव्यू से याद है ना?
बिल्कुल. It's correlated all together. And I don't shy from doing any kind of work. Work is work. For me, it's worship. As simple as that. Whether it is a small work or it's a large work, I have to do. There's no second thought of that.
And like you mentioned, about that dongle thing, and I was relating to one thing. So when I was in college, I used to do, AMCs to, earn thoda se yahan money. And those days, like SATA hard disk and stuff like that. And and I had one client, so, that she was a designer, and she called me, okay, Rishikesh, my computer is not working, and come and see it. I said, okay, I visited and I started the computer. This computer wasn't getting, booted up. So I said, maybe let me see usual wires and connections, everything. And then I realized that there was a floppy disk inside her.
Right.
Inside the CPU. And the first boot device preference was floppy drive. So I told her, ki thoda pani laoge? He said, theek hai. So I removed the floppy disk, I threw it away. Then I had to open the entire computer, I cleaned everything. And then I realized, oh, no, you have to learn. So even if you're not a tech expert, if you're using that gadget, you need to know about these things. And that's how, I was just remembering that instance because of that dongle thing. So, yeah. So one last question before we move to another segment. If we give you a time machine today and you have an opportunity to meet younger version of Sandeep, say maybe a 10-year-old Sandeep who is, getting yelled by his dadi and he's playing cricket. If you see him today, what message that you want to give it to him?
See, Rishikesh, I still give him the message that be humble to people, care for people. Because everything you will get chance to achieve, time or the money you will achieve in the life. But people, or time spent with the people, you will never get. You have to care for the people. That this is what ITC taught me, because ITC or Tata, they cares for their people. That is what I still, even currently also, this is what the education, or this is what the message I on daily basis pass on to my child. On daily basis, please care for your mother, please care for your grandparents, or respect them. This is what is you will carry further. You will not carry anything else. So having said that you have to have respect and time spent, because Rishikesh, you can earn money, you can earn respect, you can earn reputation. But the day you go back to your parents and the kind of Ashirwad they'll give you, nobody else can get.
Yeah, I mean, it's like, just carry the warmth, don't carry the crown. It's just like
simple.
That. Yeah.
Keep your head down and carry everything.
Great. I mean, it's a very good note to get onto another segment where we have another tech expert. I mean, sorry to call, I don't know, Aditya, is that the right term? But tech expert ke upar kuch hoga, so definitely that goes to you. So we have with us Aditya Agarwal, who's who's head of large enterprise business for Lenovo India. Aditya.
Hi, Aditya.
Hi.
Hi, Aditya. Welcome. Sorry if I introduce you in an incorrect way, but I don't understand यार tech expert तो छोटी चीज होगी, तुम लोगों को तो इतनी सारी चीजें पता है. मतलब मुझे तो थोड़ा बहुत पता है, मैं खुद को कभी-कभी समझ लेता हूँ सोते वक्त tech expert. लोग मुझे फोन करते हैं, मोबाइल में ये नहीं चल रहा है, तो वो सब मुझे आता है. But of course you guys are into this field, and from so many years you understand of the business, the ecosystem. What we don't understand, as you rightly said, Sandeep, there are so many things happening back of this, even this conversation. Right, my IT team, your IT team, Aditya sitting in another place. One question that I want to start with, then you guys can deliberate upon that question. Sandeep, aap start kar sakte ho. Aditya, whoever it is. This question is from a layman's perspective. We have seen what has happened in last 18 months, and digital transformation has seen an exponential growth. मतलब बहुत सारी fast चीजें, things have happened in a very fast manner. And from the end user computing, what do I expect? I don't know the future, and even neither you guys, and nobody knows the future, what's going to happen because of the uncertainties around. So from an end user perspective, what do we expect? What's going to happen next in, next 1 year? Am I going to expect an electric car which is flying, which is powered by Lenovo and driven by, IT head called Sandeep? Do I expect that? Please.
You can expect that. People are working on that. See, there are now, keeping in mind all the scenarios which is happening from past 18 months, people are going into hybrid mode. They want everything to be delivered instantly, and that too in a secure manner. So virtualization is happening too fast. People are moving towards cloud, or people are moving towards hybrid solution very fast, way too quickly, way too, I can say they are jumping onto it without knowing that whether it is right or wrong. They just want to grab it. They will simply say कि बाद में देखेंगे right है या wrong है, but let us ride on that first. At least it will safeguard us for some months or some spaces. Aditya, I believe Lenovo is also doing too much of research into all these virtualization, and you already have the solutions of virtualization. You already have the solutions for migration on the clouds and all that. So you would be able to give me more insight on that.
Yeah. So Sandeep, you're right. What we are seeing is that especially because of the pandemic, what would have taken maybe 5 years is happening in 1 year, right? So initially when Rishikesh said 1 year, I thought that, change does not happen in 1 year. But then I recalibrated myself and saying that that's not a bad question, right? Because, we used to think this will take 5 years. Look at how, work from home happened, study from home happened, and it is happening seamlessly in most cases, and people figured out a solution, right? Bandwidth not there at home. Okay, get a dongle, get a Wi-Fi, and have a hotspot, right? So that if something is not working, wo ho jata hai. Now, what we are seeing is that we are accelerating research into AI, into IoT, into virtualization. What we are seeing is that, customers today need solutions, right? That we would initially go to a customer and talk about PC, right? But now we are talking about, hey, PC is one thing, but what is the bigger solution that you need? Customers' needs have changed. They want instantly, and they want that experience, right? So a typical question that customers used to tell me 3 years ago was that if my PC gets broken, please fix it immediately. Now customers tell me that please tell me before my PC gets broken, right? So that I don't have to go through all the things, right? So what we are seeing as a trend is people want faster, smarter, and cheaper. It has to be all three at the same time. It is
also secure.
Yes, and security. Yes, secure. I think this pandemic has taught us, and it's for offices as well as at homes, right? Security is a big one, because with this, a lot of stuff which shouldn't be happening has increased throughout the world. There is ransomware. There is all sorts of things which are happening. So of course, security is at the bedrock, right? Like you said, in a man's life, it's the family which is with the foundation. In terms of technology, it is the security which is the foundation, right? Keep on doing stuff, but if that goes wrong, then all is in vain anyway.
Yeah, in similar fashion, like before 1 year or before pandemic, we used to do all the operations from the office. Now everything is work from home. Guys, you don't believe, from past 18 months, I am just doing the virtualization, or I am just building up my firewall so much of user friendly, or so much of having the VPN friendly, that every user has to log on via dial-on firewall and do a work from home. Imagine the kind of workload we have, and instantly you guys need the solution instantly. The virtualization or the IoT, like you said, Aditya, we are implementing it now. All my chai point machines, all my, even the coffee dispensing or the food ordering is on IoT at all my SmartWorks centers. All my visitor management, all my flap barriers, the entrance is on IoT. You don't have to carry a card, you simply carry a mobile, that's it. Your room lock gets open from this, your flap barrier, your chai will get dispensed from it, even your order will get dispensed from it. Everything is IoT enabled. My lights are IoT enabled, my meetings, even the room which I'm right now, I'm sitting, it's IoT enabled room. And I'm the one who's taking care of the entire solution. I'm getting it enabled. Just after 3 days, I have a launch of one of my client, 32 seats hot desking solution. Over there, the person will book the seat, available seat over there. He will go scan the QR code. Then only the light of that particular desk will switch on.
Wow.
Everything is on IoT. And at the end of the day, you will get an analysis report, who was present, who has consumed what kind of power. So all this is happening. We used to think it will come another 4-5 years. No, it is happening now.
Yep, and I think, like you said, I'm reminded of the crossing the chasm, right? I think you have been pioneers, and we'll soon see that the chasm is not as deep. We'll move to mainstream very, very quickly in such technologies.
Right, absolutely right.
So, guys, that was Sandeep for you. I mean, he's deeply rooted to his culture and values. His humble beginnings and passion for computers helped him to grow in his professional journey. He believes that, respect and care can give you whatever you want. And he's the right example of the same. Those were the values that, he carried throughout his life. And that is what he's passing on to his children. And then, that's the effect will come in place. And that's how the community will prosper. So, Sandeep, thank you so much.
Thank you, Rishikesh. Thank you very much for those words. And I am delighted.
No, brilliant, because it's the credit goes to you, because see, whatever I speak, that's the reflection. I see it from this camera now. That and it comes directly, it comes naturally. I'm not a writer. I'm just
it's instant. I know it's instant, and I'm like, I don't have words to express the gratitude towards you. You have made my day at all.
That's wonderful. Thank you so much. I mean, thank you so much again. First, I will say thank you for your time. That's the main thing. Time is the main thing. And I'm glad that, you like the thing that I said. That again, that credit goes to my parents, because those are their values.
This is education.
I'm just a puppet who acts. That's it.
This is just the values which we carry. That is what I believe.
Yes. So thank you so much.
Thank you, buddy. Take care. Have a nice day. Be safe.